Welcome back to a brand new episode of Project Trading Mastery. My name is Curtis, and I'm out to master the art of trading. While I'm doing that, I am sharing what I am seeing in the crypto markets, typically on Bitcoin, and today is no different. So, looking at Bitcoin, I am on a daily chart, believe it or not. We're looking way back in time, looking at that because I see a couple big reasons here why Bitcoin is looking extremely bullish. Checking this out, so just drawing a trend line across here, we had obviously a high here, and then this turned into a massive head and shoulders pattern, making that money all the way down into the crypto basement. And then we started with a consecutive series of highs, higher highs, higher high, higher high, higher high, higher high. Okay, so that's one seriously bullish sign. Okay, we have these higher highs. Another big reason is we have, like, this formed a mini kill zone through here. I shouldn't say mini, this is quite large, especially on a daily. So anyway, we have this kill zone here, and drawing that out, we are finding support on top of that. And see how the market got back into this kill zone after it was climbing, got back in, kind of a small, small false breakout. And then we're starting to find structure on top now, creating new higher highs up on top of this build out here, which is a really good sign. A few things that I'm going to say to be wary of is watch your kill zones. And there is a fairly hefty one right here. And this could become quite valid. Good thing to pay attention to. So coming across here to here, this is a massive kill zone. Okay. This rejects everything it hits. Everything that hits this gets rejected. That is how we're going to play this right now. It has no problem shutting the market down. Kind of like all my attempts when I was trying to pick up women in high school. Always getting shut down. Well, this is the high school kill zone right now, and this is not afraid to reject Bitcoin harshly, and we are nearing up on that. Not only are we nearing up on it, like at an alarming rate. It's pretty impressive. Coming across here, just doing some trend lines across some bottoms. Okay, we are, like I said, making new higher highs. Now, one thing I am noticing of interest is that we have, look at the RSI. Always pay attention to your RSI. Okay, RSI is going down. Look in here. We're moving up. We're moving up. Everything's moving up here. And the scary part is that typically the RSI is right. So, quite interesting. I don't know what kind of cool down that would look for, like what that would look like. Would that come down and retest the bottom of this kill zone again? But we could at least pick that off, with a cross of this trend line here. We get a cross through that, right? Close below out of this trend line, like that's fairly hefty, right? We get a close below that. We could take a little ride, potentially down to structure, and then come back and try to hit this again, or any number of things can happen for sure. Another thing I was kind of eyeballing was if we were to put a parallel channel through here. Okay, going like this, right? Coming up. All right, see what happens. We have more than enough hits on the bottom, right? So the original 2, 3, 4. So the bottom, this trend line is valid, which also happens to be this purple trend line here. That is valid. So we had to close below that. We're going to go for a bit of a ride, I would assume. Just remember again, none of this is trading advice. I'll never tell you what to do. Merely what I'm seeing, what could happen, what might happen, what things look like. But yeah, you take this line, right? See what a breakout like that would look like. Look at that. Down into this. Interesting. That's a really big, that's a large kill zone right there. So yeah, that's what we're looking like. But it does look very bullish. I don't know what it's going to use to cool this RSI action down a little bit, because it looks like it wants to go the other way. But yeah, mostly bullish. Things are looking good. Hope you guys are keeping up with your trades. Making sure you're following your patterns. And make sure it doesn't feel like gambling, because if it feels like gambling, you're probably gambling. All right, guys, take care. Thanks for coming back. Talk to you soon.